just as I promised, we're back. This is your daily.
Yeah, this is my daily driven 2005 EVO VIII MR. So I've had it for a couple months now.
Awesome. How are you liking it?
It doesn't make me as happy and smile as much as my Honda.
Okay.
But it is a way better daily.
It's such a beautiful car, and I love these proportions. And I never really noticed these cars too much. But after seeing some YouTubers have them, like Evan Shanks and Dustin Williams, it made me fall in love with them. I just never pay attention because they're not very common.
No,
for every one of these that you see 5 Subarus.
Yeah.
So it's just like, oh, okay, it's an EVO, it's a cool car. I just never pay attention. I mean, the detail. Let's go look over this car. First thing I'm noticing is this the stock body kit?
No, unfortunately.
It's not. Okay.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay. So I love this right here.
I do not.
You don't?
No.
What?
Like, literally?
And there's another one down there on the side skirt, dude. That's so cool.
Not a fan. I want to go back to stock body.
Why is that?
I just love the way stock bodies look. Like, I'll never wide body my S2000.
Yeah.
I'll never wide body any car I have. And that's pretty much what this is a wide body. And I just love the way stock body lines look on a lot of the cars that I like.
Let's pop the hood. And oh wow, I just want to get a good shot of this interior, man. This is just so
daily, she's dirty.
This is just so classic, dude. I love how simple and just straightforward this interior is, man. Carbon fiber hood.
Yep.
Let's go over the specs of this car.
So from the factory, 271, 274 crank horsepower. And that was when it's brand new, obviously. Typhoon intake.
Okay.
Some intercooler piping and a blow-off valve. It has a canopy medallion exhaust.
Okay.
And that's all that's done to it aside from the previous owner's body kit.
Well, I watched the video of you and Sergio racing. You guys can watch that right here if you want. Just the blow-off valve alone is super loud. It's just like,
I love it.
It's awesome. Once again, a single exit exhaust pointed right at me.
This one's a lot quieter.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah, unfortunately.
I could still hear you coming into the parking lot from over here. You have some hesitations when you talk about like if you're going to keep this long term or not, and why is that?
It's fun, I guess, but EVO parts are expensive for one, and two, you really can't do much with all-wheel drive unless you're building a race car or you're building a show car, which I really don't like the idea of stripping out the interior, getting, building the motor to 1,000 horsepower and all that stuff.
Can't you just do like a full bolt-on stage 1 tune setup and just sit happily at like 320 of the wheels or something like that?
I could.
Yeah.
But I feel like once I start modifying it, I'll have more attachment to it. But as of right now, how it's just my daily, I really don't have any attachment to it. It's my grocery getter, it's my daily.
And you're not losing any money on it.
No.
Which is great. I mean, both of your cars, you have 2 cars that hold their value extreme. If anything, they're appreciating right now.
Yeah.
So that's good, man. That's really good. So if you do keep this, you're gonna want to go back to the stock
body.
Stock body.
And I'll do, honestly, if I keep it, realistically build it to like 500, 600 wheel horsepower, and then
yeah, that'd be crazy.
Do
you even have to open up the motor for that? At what point do you have to open it?
Have to, but it doesn't hurt to add head studs and some cams.
I have an MAPerformance referral link.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You got plenty of room. That's a seat all the way back, too. And you still got some leg room on the sides.
Are these stock seats?
Yep. Stock Recaros.
Wow. Can you hold this for a second?
I got you.
Yeah, okay. Here we go. Dude, this is so cool, man.
She's even on stock suspension.
So what are your predictions for today's race?
Car weighs 3,500 pounds.
Okay.
It's kind of heavy, actually. It's a bit of a turn. Win or lose, I don't really care. I just like close races.
Do this, brothers. I am not sure how this is gonna go. Okay, so for all my first-time viewers, my car has a full bolt-on setup. I have a catted downpipe, full exhaust, PRL cold air intake, and the PRL intercooler. On top of that, I have the Fearable Stage 1.5 tune
which the tune itself on stock parts is supposed to bring my car up to 235 wheel horsepower. Okay, I need to make sure this is in map 2. Map 2 for this car is 22 PSI. If you haven't seen my video of running this at the drag strip, you can watch that right here. Let's do a 30 roll. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Alright, we're gonna do a 30 roll again. He was in, I think he was in 3rd gear, he said. This time he said he's gonna be in 2nd. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Alright, let me take traction all the way off. Let me see if he wants to do a dig. I think that's the one he'll definitely win. You want to do a dig? Yeah. Try one. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! Man, that is so much fun. I can't believe I haven't been doing that this entire time that I've had this car. I mean, that is so much fun. All right, let's do one more. I think we haven't done a 50 roll yet. Let's do a 50 roll. I'm gonna give him the jump. I'm gonna give him the jump. 1, 2, 3! Yeah, that just happened. Maybe I should honk from now on. 10th gen Civics are reliable. They are. If you have been with me since day one with this car, you've seen all my races, okay? I don't even know how many I've done. I've done so many races, and even while not filming videos, I'll give this car a couple full throttles a week, a few. Good job, Honda. All right, man, so what do you think about that?
Went about as expected.
Okay.
In all honesty.
It was a lot of fun.
It was.
It was a lot of fun. The EVO sounds really, really good. I appreciate that it's not super loud, because when you were ahead of me, I mean, I could hear it like piping right into my car, and it wasn't as loud as the S2000, but it sounds good.
If I keep it, it'll change.
Okay, what exhaust would you get?
Tomei.
Yeah, okay.
Tomei, turboback Tomei.
Of course.
That'd be the dream.
How much does one of those run? A Tomei exhaust for that car?
Turboback? I don't know. I haven't even looked. I know the one for my S2000, just a catback, was $1,000.
Yeah, shit.
But
I remember the first exhaust I ever bought was for my 2006 Scion TC. I got an axle back, and it was like $350, $400. For this one, I paid $700, and for the downpipe an extra $450.
so you just have a downpipe and an axle back?
No, downpipe and a catback for this.
Oh.
Well, it's not a catback, it's a front pipe back. I think next, we were talking off camera, we could do my stock 9th gen versus the S2000, which we'll do that soon. That'd be a good win for you. My 9th gen's not, I mean, I think it honestly, it surprises a lot of people at how not as slow it is. They think it is, but it is slow. You know, like compared to my car, this one, it's not fast at all. But it'd be fun.
If you reach out to him, probably run that.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, with my 10 gen, yeah. Good stuff.
I guess whenever you're ready, just reach out.
Okay.
Have a good time.
Wow, dude. This is cool, man. I just love the look of this. Like this looks so late 90s, early 2000s, and I love that look.
So that's the color.
That's the color.
I'm not gonna lie, dude, I like it more than the blue.
Yeah, I do too. Makes me love the car all over again, you know?
I think I've only raced this car twice. Once when I first got it back home in Illinois, and funny story, some dude in his like 2004 like just Mustang GT had a bunch of work done to it. I could hear it. Probably made like 450, 500 wheel. Him and his son fucking blew my doors off for fun. Didn't even mind. Son had a good time.
Okay.
His son was like 8. It was great.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then the second time was with Sergio.
Yeah.
Other than that, I don't think I've raced this car at all.
Sergio's Cobalt is annoyingly fast.
It's deceptive, man.
It's annoyingly fast.
You seen the stuff he posts where he's like R34 GTR Cobalt SS, and he has like the lap times, the weight, the power.
Yes, yeah.
Weight.
I know. Dude, hey man, General Motors. Dude, I think deep down, I really feel like I am a GM guy. I'm dying for another Corvette. I love Pontiac. I love anything Pontiac. I'm just a GM guy.
Did you look into a GTO?
I've seen him, but if I was going to spend $15,000 on a GTO, I might as well just spend $18,000 on a low mileage C5.
True.
So.